Hey guys, I will show you how you can fix desktop icons is missing. So for example, this game's icon is not missing, but it can be Sims 4 and without the icon. So what you can do here, you need to go on search, run. Here you need to write app data. Then you need to select view, show, select a hidden icon that should be selected. Then you need to go to local, scroll all the way down until you see icon cache. Then you need to go to show more options and delete it, right? And then you need to open up Task Manager. Then you need to find Windows Explorer here, Windows Explorer, and then restart the task. And now your icon should appear. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.